Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hi. Unboxing and review of the rechargeable self-stirring coffee mug with temperature display. Technology has transformed everyday household items into smart and convenient devices that make daily routines easier. One such innovation is the rechargeable self-stirring coffee mug with temperature display. This modern mug is designed to automatically stir beverages and display their temperature in real time. It is an ideal solution for coffee, tea, hot chocolate, protein shakes, and other drinks that require frequent mixing. Combining convenience, portability, and advanced technology, this smart mug has become increasingly popular among students, office workers, travelers, and coffee enthusiasts. Features of the mug. The rechargeable self-stirring coffee mug is equipped with a small electric motor at its base. With the press of a button, the motor rotates a magnetic stirring mechanism, thoroughly mixing the drink without the need for a spoon. This ensures that ingredients such as sugar, milk, cream, or powdered supplements are evenly blended. Another notable feature is the digital temperature display, located on the top of the mug's handle. It allows users to monitor the beverage's temperature instantly, helping prevent burns from overly hot drinks. Unlike battery-operated mugs, rechargeable models include a built-in lithium-ion battery that can be charged using a USB cable. This makes them environmentally friendly, cost-effective, and convenient for everyday use. One of the biggest advantages of this smart mug is its convenience. Users no longer need to carry spoons or manually stir their drinks. The automatic stirring function saves time and ensures consistent mixing every time. The temperature display adds another layer of practicality. By knowing the exact temperature of the drink, users can enjoy their beverages at their preferred warmth while avoiding accidental burns. The rechargeable design reduces waste by eliminating the need for disposable batteries. A single charge can power the mug for multiple uses, making it suitable for home, office, travel, and outdoor activities. Additionally, many models are made from stainless steel with insulated walls, helping to keep beverages hot or cold for extended periods while maintaining durability and ease of cleaning. The rechargeable self-stirring coffee mug is useful in many situations. Office workers can prepare coffee without interrupting their work. Students can quickly mix hot drinks while studying. Fitness enthusiasts can use it to blend protein shakes or nutritional supplements. Travelers can enjoy freshly mixed beverages during road trips or camping adventures, provided the mug is charged beforehand. It is also an excellent gift for coffee lovers, busy professionals, elderly individuals, and anyone who appreciates practical and innovative gadgets. Despite its many benefits, the mug has a few limitations. It is generally more expensive than a standard coffee mug due to its electronic components. The battery must be recharged regularly to maintain functionality, and electronic parts require careful handling during cleaning. Most models are splash-resistant rather than fully waterproof, so they should not be completely submerged in water. The rechargeable self-stirring coffee mug with temperature display is an excellent example of how smart technology can improve everyday life. Its automatic stirring mechanism, rechargeable battery, and real-time temperature display provide convenience, efficiency, and safety for users. Although it requires charging and costs more than a regular mug, its practical features make it a worthwhile investment for anyone who enjoys hot beverages. I bought this for making hot chocolate and coffee, and it's brilliant. The magnetic stirrer mixes the powder smoothly with no lumps. The LED display is useful for seeing the temperature. The 380 milliliters capacity is perfect for a large drink. It's rechargeable and lasts for several uses. The stirrer doesn't work well with very thick liquids. Hope you enjoy this video. Have a nice day. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. More than 1,200 Apple product-related videos. Thank you for viewing, subscribing, sharing and liking.